Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Apple turns Shiba Inu into a $2 giant this month. Shib news today. Shiba Inu's governance token and Shibarium gas token Bone continue to gain attention from crypto exchanges. This time it is gaining attention from Seychelles-based crypto exchange OKX. In a new tweet, OKX teases new meme coin deposits and listing activity. For this, it asks the crypto community to vote for their preferred choice from a list of meme coins presented. In this video, we will talk about Apple turns Shiba Inu into a $2 giant this month. Shib news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The price of Shiba Inu has dropped to $0.00001030 today, making for a 1.5% decline in the past 24 hours as the cryptocurrency market as a whole falls by 1%. Shib's current price has declined by 11% in a week and 3% in the last 30 days. The meme token has gained 27% since the beginning of the year. It's also encouraging to note that the coin's 24-hour trading volume has begun to rise again, moving beyond $100 million in the past day to signify that positive volatility could re-enter the picture. And in the longer term, with Shiba Inu also awaiting the full public launch of the Layer 2 network Shibarium, Shib could even see some major rallies along the way. What's encouraging about Shib's chart is that it shows a coin that's close to bottoming out, at least judging by the current state of its indicators. Shib's 30-day moving average is close to moving below its 200-day average, while its actual price has fallen below both indicators, signaling that it's being oversold. Similarly, its relative strength index is just below 40 and is on its way to 30. The coin will be due for a correction upwards. Of course, this may not happen just yet, with the ongoing decline of Shib's support level suggesting that it could fall in price for at least a few more days. Still, the wider outlook for Shib remains positive, especially with the steady increase in its trading volume pointing towards an eventual rally. It also seems that whales may have begun accumulating Shib, given that the meme token is undervalued right now. If so, the coin may not be very far away from a recovery, something also suggested by the impending full public launch of Shibarium, which is Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network. The latest data reveals that Shibarium's beta continues attracting plenty of testers and developers, with the testnet seeing over 400,000 transactions per day and 14 million wallet addresses. This highlights the keen interest in Shibarium, which could result in a big increase in Shiba Inu use and adoption and in the general growth of its ecosystem. On top of this, Shibarium will also result in more Shib being burned, as confirmed by the Layer 2 network's development team. Because the supply of Shib is likely to be restricted following Shibarium's launch, Shib could easily rise to $0.000015 in the weeks after before moving on to $0.00003 and higher levels. And in the longer term, the launch of Shib the Metaverse will amplify demand for Shib, helping to push its price even further. Shiba Inu has significantly dropped its burn rate over the past week. According to a recent report by ShibBurn.com, the Shiba Inu community has collectively managed to destroy 305.77 million Shib through multiple transactions in the past week. This is a massive 90.11% decrease compared to the previous week, where a staggering 1.91 billion Shib were removed from circulation forever through 50 separate transactions. The mysterious wallet is recognized as the top Shib burner of the week. The anonymous wallet sent a whopping 15.57 million Shib to the dead wallet through 2 distinct transactions on April 21st. Apart from weekly burns, Shiba Inu community has set fire to 19.17 million Shib through 4 separate transactions in the past 24 hours. This marks a staggering 103.99% increase in the overall burn rate compared to the previous day, where a meager 9.40 million Shib tokens were incinerated in 3 distinct transactions. On the other hand, Shiba Inu emerges as the top traded cryptocurrency on CoinSwitch, India's largest crypto app. CoinSwitch recently shared a list of the top 5 most traded coins of the week, with Shiba Inu claiming the top spot. The impressive feat was achieved by surpassing established giants like Bitcoin (BTC) and Ethereum (ETH), and even beating out its fellow meme-inspired competitor Dogecoin or Doge. Moreover, Certic, a well-known blockchain security company, has acknowledged the remarkable evolution of Shiba Inu from a meme token to a thriving decentralized ecosystem in its latest edition of Project Scoop. The platform also has given Shiba Inu an exceptional security score of 94.30, making it one of the most secure blockchain projects in the market. The crypto exchange also promises a giveaway to 10 participants with a prize pool of 300 USDT. The translation of its tweet from Chinese reads, "If OKX launches meme coin deposit and listing activity, which projects would you vote for?" So far, AI Doge, Bone, Pepe, and Quack are gaining the majority of votes at 52.3%, 44.1%, 31.2%, and 66.3% respectively. The exchange promises to list up to 3 tokens with the highest votes. Earlier in the week, Dubai-based crypto exchange CetoEX indicated its interest in listing Bone after it conducted a Twitter poll asking the crypto community to vote for the next project the exchange will list. Bone emerged as the winner with the highest votes among the 4 crypto assets presented. All eyes are on Bone and Shibarium, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 protocol. Shibarium Beta PuppyNet grows in utility, recording 14 million interacting addresses. Introducing the Shib/Doge liquidity pool could attract more investors to Shiba Inu, a popular meme cryptocurrency. This development is critical for Shiba Inu as the token's price recently fell to its local support level of $0.00001. Since then, the price has been consolidating at this level with low and descending trading volume. The addition of the Shib/Doge pool on Binance Liquid Swap is expected to provide more exposure and liquidity to both meme cryptocurrencies, possibly leading to increased interest from investors and traders. Shiba Inu holders must understand the risks of adding funds to a liquidity pool. The number of digital assets redeemed may differ from the number added to the pool. The creation of the Shib/Doge liquidity pool could improve the market performance of Shiba Inu by increasing its liquidity and attracting more traders. The expansion of Binance Liquid Swap's offerings demonstrates the growing interest in meme cryptocurrencies and the potential for further development on the market. As trading volume remains low and descending, the market will be looking for any signs of increased interest toward assets like Shiba Inu, which has been going through tough times recently. Twitter made yet another U-turn under the stewardship of Elon Musk after it restored the blue ticks for celebrities after just a couple of days. Musk has made several U-turns over the years, including by buying Twitter. Twitter ended the old blue tick verifications on April 20th, a date not chosen randomly as it is associated with cannabis, 420. Incidentally, Musk also offered Twitter at $54.20 per share, which valued the social media giant at around $43 billion. Twitter has started charging $8 per month if the blue tick verification is taken on the web, and Musk sees it as a key revenue driver for the microblogging site. Things haven't been all that rosy, and reports suggest that only a tiny fraction of people who had the legacy blue ticks opted for the paid verification. Also, only a tiny fraction of the Hitherto non-verified user base has opted for a paid verification. Musk made it categorically clear that to democratize Twitter, anybody can now take the blue tick after paying for the service if they met the eligibility conditions, which, among others, require a confirmed phone number. However, over the weekend, several celebrities started getting back their blue ticks, even if they hadn't paid for the subscription. Now, it seems that almost all the celebrities have got back their blue tick verification. In what looks like another goof up from Twitter, even some dead celebrities, including actor Paul Walker, have gotten back their blue ticks. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.